Hi, I'm Shanna Adamic, Director of Oracle Health Executive Content and Oracle Video, back again with some helpful hacks to help you navigate and make the most of your time at Oracle AI World. With so much to see and do, I know it can feel a bit overwhelming, so we've put together some pro tips to help you prepare before you go. First up, pack for success. From choosing the right shoes to making sure your laptop and smartphone are fully charged, a little prep goes a long way. You'll find a complete suggested packing list on the Oracle AI World website by navigating to the planning guide page. Download it to make sure you have everything you need. Next, build your Oracle AI World schedule before you arrive. With over 900 learning sessions and hands-on labs, you'll want to make sure you have a seat at the sessions that matter most to you. Good news, Oracle Schedule Builder, found in your attendee portal, makes it easy. Just favorite the sessions you want to attend, and Schedule Builder will create a daily calendar with times and locations, so you won't miss a thing. Pro tip: arrive early to pick up your badge. The first day can be a little hectic, so we recommend picking up your badge at the registration desk on Monday, October 13th, the day before Oracle AI World officially kicks off. Registration is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. at the Venetian. This way, you'll breeze right in on Tuesday morning and have a better opportunity to grab a seat for CEO Mike Cecilia's keynote. If it's your first time at Oracle AI World, don't worry, we've got you covered. Join one of our short orientation sessions on Monday, October 13th at 10 a.m., 12 p.m., and 2 p.m. We'll share smart tips, give you a quick walkthrough of the venue, and help you get your bearings so you can navigate Oracle AI World like a pro. Make time to explore the Oracle AI World Hub. In between sessions and keynotes, make sure you get a chance to check out demos, live theater sessions, and interactive experiences in the Oracle AI World Hub. There are also refreshments, games, and activities happening throughout the day, so be sure to stop by and recharge. Arriving early for pre-event training or special events? If you're here for pre-event training, the OCI Summit, or the Partner Success Summit, you'll find all of the details you need in your attendee portal or directly sent to you by email. And finally, have fun. Oracle AI World is about learning and making new connections, but it's also about having a great time. Don't miss the welcome reception on Tuesday evening, and be sure to join us for the party on Wednesday night. It rocks until midnight. Now that you know what to expect, I hope you're as excited as I am to be part of the Oracle AI World 2025. See you there.